out of these jeans. I already cut one side, but I need to do some modifications or whatever to that. I need to, let me catch my damn breath. Okay, so this is how we gonna start, right? So you want to get your pants as flat as possible on the floor. You know, you want to get them as flat as possible on the floor, right? Okay, so I'm gonna take these scissors. Any pair of scissors will do. And if you have fabric scissors, that's even better, right? So we're gonna take and cut at an angle, because to me, I find that it looks better when you cut from an angle. Like, it looks better that way to me. And these are high waist jeans too, but it looks better when, like, you want this part longer in the middle than the outside part. So I just cut this little bit because I really don't know the length that I want it to be yet. But if you have time, you can try it on. You can cut it and try it on. And then if it's not short enough, or it's not the length that you wanted, you can always go back and redo it. You know, you can go back and cut some more off. But I already can tell that this is not going to be as short as I want it to be, so I'm going to cut some more. Anyway, you don't have to have it doesn't have to be cut perfect, because you are going to put this in the washing machine and it's going to create a distressed effect. I think I need to cut a little bit more off in the middle, so let's do that. So I think that's a decent length, I guess. For now it's okay. And then, whew, that's got me, I don't know why I'm so tired. But anyway, you're gonna flip this over. Yeah, so we're gonna flip that over and we're gonna cut the other leg. We have both sides cut. Let's see how it looks so far as the length. So we're gonna take the scissors and cut a little slit in the pants right here. So we're gonna take some tweezers and we're gonna pluck out the strings to make it distressed.